Okay, so I'm just going to be covering the trade that I took today on NQ with my live trade in Discord. The link will be in the description below. It is currently free for anyone to join, but I'm just going to head straight into this. Okay, so the first thing I was looking for was this 4-hour intermediate term low to get swept, and then I was looking for shorts off this. So let me just mark this up. We've got this intermediate term high, inside of this 4-hour fair value gap. So I was looking for this to send price lower, grabbing equilibrium of the recent range, which was this high to this low down here. And obviously this is an external draw. This intermediate term high is our external range liquidity. So after seeing that external range liquidity get swept, I was looking for a run on internal range liquidity. Now, seeing how we're trading in the top portion of equilibrium, meaning we're in premium of the range, I wanted to see a run back down to discount to fill a discounted internal range liquidity, which was this hourly fair value gap right here. So this was my target, this was my reversal point, and I was looking for a reversal off this intermediate term high, which also aligned with my standard deviation projection. As you can see here, here's our manipulation leg, sweeping out liquidity to then send price higher. So this was our standard deviation projection. As you can see, 1 to 1.5 aligned with our intermediate term high. Price also created a big bearish SMT with the high on ES. So as you can see, ES, this is the high on ES. However, ES was very delayed today. I think the SMT was right here. So this right here was the unfilled hourly fair value gap. This was my target. As you can see, price was trading up into premium of the range, consolidating inside of this 4-hour fair value gap, as well as sweeping this high. We had a run lower and then another run higher to sweep out this range. So we swept out the range high, held this SMT with ES, and then I was looking for a simple trade lower. As you can see, we started to get a recovery back lower, inversing this bullish fair value gap, which was my entry point. This was my break even right here. Entered the trade here, stop loss was above this high, break even here at this low. Yeah, so that was my break even. As you can see on the 30-second time frame, this is the only prominent wick compared to the other ones. So as soon as price came to take out that low, as you can see, it reversed and went back up to my break even. So very good risk management on my behalf, and we ended up going break even rather than hitting full stop loss, which was right up here. And obviously, as you can see, the market just then consolidated and slowly moved up higher, and that's when I got off for the day. So if you want to take trades like this every single day with me and my community, join the link in the description below. At the moment, this Discord is free, and it will probably be free for quite a long time, so make sure you get down, join this. There's a lot of free resources. So here are the free resources inside of my Discord. I give my trade analysis after every trade I take. Yesterday was the first live trading that I have done in this Discord, and as you can see, everybody made money taking this trade. Today was a break-even trade. I give my daily bias every single day, videos explaining what I'm looking for. Giving out the daily news. I've got PDF courses, normal courses coming soon. My playlists are linked here, and these are my models. There's going to be a lot more models added to this section. This is currently a brand new live trading Discord, so whoever gets down here first is going to be rewarded with free lifetime access to this Discord. So make sure to get down to the Discord as soon as possible to get free access to my live trading videos, to my live trading streams. But yeah, that is going to be all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Hopefully tomorrow I've got another trade recap to go over, but yeah, that's going to be all for today.